Do you love dogs? What if that passion could pay your bills? Thousands of Americans are cashing in on dog care, grooming, and products. And the best part? You don't need millions to start. From pet sitting to specialty dog products, there's a niche for every skill level. Today, we'll break down the top ways to make money with dogs in the U.S. Let's start with dog walking. In busy cities like NYC or LA, people pay $20 to $40 per walk. Next, pet sitting. Traveling owners need someone to care for their furry friends, and they're willing to pay well. Grooming services are booming, with visits costing $50 to $100 per dog. And don't forget dog training. Busy professionals need help teaching their pets tricks, obedience, and behavior skills. Dog products and e-commerce. Then there's dog products, toys, treats, and clothes. E-commerce is huge in the U.S. You can even create subscription boxes for dog lovers, delivering curated toys and treats every month. Marketing your dog business online is easier than ever. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok allow you to show your dogs and services, build a following, and convert content into clients. Local visibility and niche specialization. Local SEO matters. Make sure dog owners in your city can find you. Specialize in niches, small breeds, senior dogs, or even exotic breeds. Premium services like dog spas or gourmet treats attract high-paying clients. Partnerships with local vets or pet stores can boost visibility. Always collect reviews. Happy clients lead to more referrals. Upselling products and packages. Upsell products such as leashes, collars, or seasonal toys. Offer service packages, weekly walks plus monthly grooming. Remember, consistency is key. Happy dogs equal happy clients. Even small towns have untapped dog service opportunities, so don't overlook them. Combine online and offline strategies for maximum growth. Scaling and growth. Start simple, reinvest profits, and scale as your audience grows. Your love for dogs can become a full-time income. Take the first step today. Walk one dog, create one toy, or post one video. Focus on quality over quantity at the start. Leverage local events like dog fairs, pet shows, and community meetups. Offer seasonal services, summer swimming, winter coats, or holiday packages. Branding and marketing. Brand your business. Logo, colors, friendly vibe. Use testimonials to show client satisfaction. Create beginner, advanced, and premium packages. Upskill yourself with dog CPR, behavior courses, or grooming certifications. Automate online bookings to save time. Engage with your audience by sharing tips, cute moments, and training hacks. Advanced tips and financial control. Bundle services for holidays like Valentine's Day, Christmas, or National Dog Day. Track your finances using spreadsheets or apps. Reinvest profits in marketing, equipment, or dog toys. Connect with other dogpreneurs for tips and collaboration. Track client satisfaction. Happy dogs lead to repeat clients. Invest in good photography. Dogs look more appealing online. Celebrate milestones, first 10 clients, or first 1K month. Review analytics to see what works. Experiment with ads, social media boosts, or influencer collaborations. Always deliver value. Happy owners share your services. Scale gradually. Build your brand steadily. Stay organized with appointments, packages, and inventory. Celebrate every win. Each happy dog equals more business. Start your U.S. dog business journey now. The dogs are waiting, and so is your income.
If you found value here, like, comment, and share. It helps more than you think. See you next time.